Listen. Whenever science or technology grows, the scientists and people who are expert in that field need to contribute right word. They need to support the language also to explain the concepts. English is learning spirituality, Sanatana Hindu Dharma first time. So let's contribute some good words. English is learning Sanatana Hindu Dharma from the source, I think first time. So God-el should be the word, not God. God is not Sadashiva. Sadashiva, Brahman, Bhagavan, all these words used in the Brahman used in Upanishad, Bhagavan used in Puranas, Sadashiva used in Agamas cannot be translated as God, God, used in Western theologies. Understand? These 5 aspects of Sadashiva in the manifest form is called Ishvara, unmanifest form is Avyakta. Even this 5 is only the manifest form of God-el, Sadashiva. There is Avyakta, unmanifest part, component. The 25 states of consciousness individual goes through, Jiva goes through, the 11 dimensions of the universe, Jagat, 5 aspects of Ishvara, all these 3, when it is not understood, forms the Maya matrix. Understand? Maya matrix, the individual consciousness which goes through 25 states of consciousness and 5 aspects of Supreme Sadashiva, God-el, 11 dimensions of universe, Jagat. If you do not understand, they form a Maya matrix in which you are caught. If you understand, not only you have the knowledge, you have the power to play with them. Understand? Knowledge brings power to play with them. Understanding this Maya matrix experientially and realizing the state of Sadashiva, that you are the source of this Maya matrix, experiencing the state of Sadashiva, expressing the expressions, state and manifesting the powers of Sadashiva is the purpose of Sadashivoham 2016.